National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Calhoun County in south central Michigan until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Climax, or near Battle Creek, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Battle Creek and Brownlee Park around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pine Creek, Bedford, Ceresco, Duck Lake, and Marengo. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying.